Should I? Yeah. Hey, Boogeyman fans, welcome back! Today I'm going to be showing 10 cards. Okay, so the first one is a Oshawott. Timber. Beartic. Lillipup. Vanillish.
You're right. Thanks, son. No matter where we end up, I'll be lifted a jug in your honor.
City. Lamp.
Somebody call a paramedic? Where's the body? Nobody here. Just us guys. Guys night? Guys night.
No, think about it. Should we? Should we actually do it? Do what?